Black pepper, so you know I'm gonna add my black pepper.
I'm a bitch. Been a bitch, still a bitch.
And we'll forever be that. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl Keke World, and welcome back to another video. And first thing I title down below, you don't know what the video is all about. Yeah, how to prepare stew peas with pigtail and chicken foot. Sometimes even more of say. Sometimes mix pig foot with more pig foot. You mix pigtail with ox tail. Anyways, yeah, I wash up my skeleton and me chat say. Alright, let's take this thing serious now. First, I boil my peas, but I never make it boil too soft because I boil my pig's tail and my chicken foot in the same water. Then after I take out my chicken foot, them add them in the pot with the peas. And when I had it in the pot with the peas, make the pigtail go and boil down a little more. After, I go wash the pigtail and cut it up in sizes like how I want it. Okay, because you know me now cut no stew peas no big old pigtail in a pot. Alright, you know me now make all like boil out. Now make all like salt boil out because you know some people like tasty salt in them pigtail and some people don't like it salt in it. So see it there, yeah, good girl a boil her chicken foot. Yeah, me I take out it now out of the pot with the pigtail and make the pigtail go and boil a little. Then yeah, test it if it can come out now. So I add my chicken foot in the pot with the peas. Go wash out my pigtail and cut it up to sizes now. Yes, right, this is a good girl. I could wait till the pot don't cook, trust me. You see pigtail, you can't allow me to cook pigtail because I eat it out before the pot don't cook. Alright, yes, so yeah.
So here's my skeleton thyme. I'm gonna add it in my pot. When I had my skeleton thyme, some people use flour. Mix up the flour in water and add it instead of the coconut powder. Normally, that is what I did. But today, I'm gonna try it with the coconut powder. Coconut powder is something I really love, but I'm gonna try it with it. So
I'm gonna put it in the pot now. Look on stew peas already. Stew peas look like it's ready for eat. Man, ask Christ, stew peas look like it's ready for eat. Not there. One thing about me, I got always a story. My love story. My love story. So I got always a story. But today, look how long me do a story. How me a story so? Come on, one now. Yes, so I'm going to put my coconut powder straight in one cup. And then after I throw it in the cup, I'm going to take a little water on it. You know, I'm going to fill it with water. Put a little water on it and roll, stir it down. Yes, good girl, stir it up. Right, this so. See it? I don't want too much water on it now because I don't want my pot to spoil. And right now, this water come like it too much for me. So yeah, I'm going to add it in the pot with the right there. So I add it in the pot. I kind of turn up at the stove because I didn't want the pot to start boil up fast and quick. So when it start boil up now, I kind of turn back down the stove. And I add my piece of butter. Yeah, right this so.
Love story.
And after I add my butter, I go add a little piece of pepper because I want my pepper to taste the pot. I don't want it to hot enough, but I want it to taste. Oh, this time pop out. I'm afraid of pepper bad enough. I don't want it to burn.
I don't want it to hot enough.
But my holy pepper, anyways. Good girl, take it up, put it in the pot. Yes. Look on this thing. Look on the thing. Look like you're ready for heat. You know you have to make your coconut powder boil good enough. Because you will catch running belly, you know. Alright, so you know, see the flour here. I'm going to make a spinach. What name? Spinach or spinach? I don't know what it name, but yeah, I wash my hand and then I make me look spinach. So
you don't want too much spinach.
You sure?
Remember?
Yeah, you know you don't want too much because you're gonna make a son could find something you're gonna make. Yeah, then you're gonna make them, roll them up, put them in the pot. After you don't put them in the pot. Look there, man. Look there. Oh, who tells me I can't cook? Who tells me I can't cook, man? One thing about me, I got always a story, you know. I got always a story. That's one thing about me.
Yes, me go always a story. Look how pigtail and chicken foot and peas and whatever look rich in a pot. And you know, good girl, if you had our black pepper, because I love black pepper in everything. Some people put black pepper in them stew peas while some won't, but I love black pepper in my stew peas. I love black pepper in my stew peas. So you know, I'm gonna steam up my little rice now because you know, say good girl, hungry, and at some time we start eat some food because the pot soon done. Call this the pot actually done. The me tell you some love story already, you know. Yes, good girl left. Go wash up plate, press out her baby uniform and come back. Yes, rice ready. Rice ready. Yes, good girl. Your parents didn't raise you for nothing. Right, so. My mother like when I cook stew peas. The woman want to eat up. The woman want a whole pot for herself. Then look how girl food look good in a plate. Look good, sir. And guys, it don't only look good, it also tastes good. So if you don't eat stew peas, off your life, come.